Hey guys, welcome to Hingeworks. I'm Shad, and I'm out here at the Black Desert Resort, one of the finest resorts in Utah, in Ivins, Utah, where our team has had the privilege to put in these wonderful cabinets. I just want to show you a couple features about the cabinets. We're kind of a nice touch. Of course, they've got the built-in appliances that we've worked around with our custom cabinets, using edge poles vertically, horizontally on the lift doors above. Everything, of course, is slow close, like is pretty standard nowadays. The bifold lift wall cabinets, again with an edge pole on it. A couple details that are kind of nice. We've taken and we've used overlay fillers to give a nice, clean, flush look. This is all in Quartersawn maple, and it's a dark stain. It's called nutmeg to kind of mimic or give a feel of a walnut. Kind of a stunning feel and look for this project. And then, of course, we've trimmed out the bottoms and the tops here to flush that out as well. Kind of a nice touch. Let's take you to the bathrooms and show you what we've done in the bathrooms. They just really have not cut any corners on these projects, these units. It's been a delight for our company to work with them. So stepping into the bathroom, we're going to show you the floating vanities. So floating vanities, nice fixed floating unit, a lot of reinforcement to hold that up. But we've got, this is also a Quartersawn maple with a lighter stain on it, apron, shelf, and a beautiful look. Nice storage for the towels. And into the master, same thing, larger vanity, nice look. And behind the door, we've got a slimline linen cabinet with the glass shelves above. So that's it at Black Desert, at least for these units. When we get more units done, we'll show you more. Thanks so much.